Hello everyone, it's me, Louis Corpus. Welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. Today we are just gonna walk going to the market again. So let's just look. Let's just see what's going on. Because in the news, SM is will not develop anymore the public market. So we'll see. We are just above the public market. It's very near. So let's go. So going to City Market. We are just above City Market. We are in Camp Allen, Atlanta. That's already part of City Market. So let's go. Let's just walk. These flowers smell good. That's a radio station, K-Light. So we will go here. It's garbage collection day. So it's Monday, January 5. With just a few steps that going down, that's already City Market. So let's go. We are very near City Market, just above City Market. But when you go up this steep, you're gonna get tired. So people complain. Tourists, even usually tourists complain when they climb here. They are all gassed out. So it's a good place. It's very fast. With just a little walk, you're already there in the Central Business District. There, that's already City Market. So fast. Okay, Baguio City Market. SM was supposed to develop this place. I would like SM to develop it. So this is where I buy ukay-ukay, second-hand clothes. So I buy my clothes. Okay. This is Black Tree. Black Tree. This is Black 4. Poly. Sa CR here. We're going up here. We have ukay-ukay shops. 60. Okay, hello everyone. So we did a little walk this morning. We're back home. More blessings to all of us.